Hey, designers, let's create water texture in Illustrator. Take the brush tool. Go to Windows. Brush libraries, artistic, chalk charcoal pencil. Select the first brush. Stroke 8. Remove fill. I'll give it a purple stroke. OK. Make it width profile 1. Now add lines here. I'll speed it up to save time. OK. Now select all by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Group them by Ctrl-G, lower the opacity of these strokes. Let's make a square on top of it. Fill it with blue color. Go to Window. Transparency. Change the blending options to Screen. Go to Edit Copy. Again edit Paste in front. Your water texture is ready. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.